In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva, perfect for beginners. Crafting a personal portfolio is a powerful way to showcase your skills and experiences, whether you're looking to impress potential clients, land a new job, or simply keep track of your accomplishments. And the best part is that with tools like Canva, creating a professional looking portfolio is simple and straightforward, even if you're completely new to design. To begin, head over to Canva's website. Make sure you're logged into your account or sign up if you haven't created one yet. Once you're ready, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in portfolio. Canva will show you a wide range of pre-designed portfolio templates, which can greatly speed up your workflow and help spark inspiration. Take your time scrolling through the templates and choose one that matches your personal style or the mood you want your portfolio to convey. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to open the preview. Then choose the option that says Customize this template. This will bring you into Canva's editor where you can start making the design truly your own. The editor is very intuitive, giving beginners an easy learning curve while still offering powerful creative tools. Start by customizing visuals. Replace any placeholder images with your own photos, artwork, or project samples. You can upload files directly from your device or choose from Canva's large library of free and premium images. The moment you switch out images, your portfolio immediately begins to feel more personal and unique. Next, edit the text. Click on any text box and start typing. Include your name, a short introduction or bio, your skills, achievements, and any experience that highlights your strengths. Keep the text clear and concise. You want readers to understand your abilities quickly without overwhelming them with too much information. A good portfolio balances design and readability for maximum impact. As you continue editing, feel free to adjust colors, fonts, and layout elements to match your personal brand. You can also add additional pages to showcase case studies, testimonials, service lists, or contact details. Canva allows easy duplication of pages, making it simple to expand your portfolio into a multi-page document that feels polished and well-structured. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share it. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. From here, you can download your portfolio in formats like PDF or JPG, depending on how you plan to use it. PDFs work great for job applications, client proposals, or printing physical copies. JPEGs or PNGs are great for sharing individual pages on social media or uploading them to your website. Always consider where your audience will view your portfolio so you can choose the best format for clarity and quality. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean, professional personal portfolio using Canva. Remember, your portfolio is a living document. As you gain new experiences or complete new projects, come back and update it. This ensures your portfolio always reflects your most current and impressive work. With Canva, you can keep improving and polishing it anytime with just a few clicks.